Today I'm going to share rice flour recipe with you. You can use rice flour to make rice noodles. You can use it in your cakes. You can use it as a form of thickener to thicken your soups. You can use it for your rice balls. You can use it for porridge or anything you need rice flour for. Okay, so I'm going to make use of rice. Yes, this is my rice, and I'm going to grind it. Yes, so I'll put it in my grinder and then grind it very, 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 very smooth. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Like and share this video. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, and like and leave a comment as well. Okay, so at this point it's very okay. We are going to strain it. Yes, okay, and so pour and strain it very smooth, and then the next thing we are going to do is we will grind it. The ones that will be left in the strainer, we'll grind it again. As I said, you can use it as a form of thickener. You can also use it to make pancakes. You can use it in your biscuit making. But you cannot use it alone to make bread because this is gluten free. Do you get it? And so I'll bring you some recipes on how to make rice noodles, how to use it for your pancake and others. So we are going to grind this again. Yes, we are going to grind it the second time. Please do well to share this video for me. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Very, very necessary. Okay, so I'm going to strain it. Okay, so we will not strain again. What will remain, this is it. It's okay. When you grind it again, we will not grind it again. If you grind it again, you will not get anything. And so this is our rice flour, you see. Very, very smooth, you see. And so you can use it for any recipe you want rice flour for, and you are going to love it. Okay, so give this a try. You can store it in a tight container and keep it. Whenever you are ready, you use it. Thanks so much for watching. Like and share this video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.